About the tissue and nasal sprays. It's that time of year. Many of you may be dealing with spring allergies, and being in Jackson does not help. A recent study named Jackson #1 for spring allergies. So what can you do to get some relief? Annette Pegler joins us now from the newsroom with more. Annette.
Well, Maggie, more than 45 million Americans deal with seasonal allergies. Doctors say antihistamines usually does the trick, but if you fall in those more extreme cases, you may want to head to your local doctor.
Spring is officially here in the capital city, and for Kekeisha Black and her 2 boys, that usually means a trip to the doctor. The family moved here from Detroit and got a shock from all the pollen.
Actually, our first year here was probably the worst year as far as allergies go.
She says over-the-counter medications didn't work for her 2 little boys.
Either they'll get the allergy shot or let them prescribe them some medicine.
Dr. Timothy Quinn says if your case isn't as extreme, you may be able to find some relief over the counter.
Recommended would be the antihistamines like the Allergy, the Claritin, the Zyrtec, and now you can even get the Flonase, which is a steroid nasal spray, over the counter without a prescription, and it works very well.
Every year, allergists rank the most difficult cities to live in with spring allergies. For the past 3 years, Jackson ranked #1 on the list.
We still have a lot of plant life in our city. We have a lot of fields, grass, trees, and because of that, we're going to have a higher pollen count than a lot of the more metropolitan cities.
There are some things you can do right at home.
If you are outside during the day and you go in, to go ahead and take your clothing off and take a shower and put those clothes away and put on some clothes that don't have the pollen in the clothes so you won't track the pollen all over your house.
But for Black, those home remedies didn't work for her sons.
And if that doesn't work, go see an allergist for the skin testing, and then you can get on the allergy shots, which really work.
Now, doctors say a saline rinse at night can also help with allergy sufferers. For other tips, you can go to the Mississippi Asthma and Allergy Clinic website, and we'll have a link on our website, msnewsnow.com.